Hi guys, welcome to this new video on Docker. So in this video we'll learn how to develop a Docker image. So there are two ways in which you can. Develop a Docker image. So developing a Docker image. So there are two ways which will be. So one is manual way, and one is using Dockerfile. So in this, using these two ways you can like create a Docker image. So manual way we have to use like Docker commit, and we need an existing container. We will be using a existing container. And using Dockerfile, we will use docker build command, and we will be requiring a Docker file for this. So let's understand first the manual way. So let's say you want an image, manual way. Let me... So in manual way, let's say you want a base image, which is Ubuntu. Then you want Git in it. Then you want say Java image, let's say, or else Apache. Then you say you want some. Then you let's say you want to copy something, and this is you want as a final image. So your final image will have this many layers: 1, 2, 3, 4. So using manual way, if you want to do it, if you want to create this image, same as like the Docker file will do. So what you have to do, you have to create an Ubuntu container first. First, you have to create a Ubuntu container. Let's say this is your Ubuntu container. Then inside this container, you have to run install Git, and then you have to use commit, which will create a new image. After you commit installing Git. Where is the arrow? Yes. Yeah. So after installing it, this commit, you will create a new image. This will be the new image with Git. Now you have to again create a container out of this new image, which contains the Git. So this is the container, let's say. I have to use something else. So rounds are the containers, okay? This will be round. Ubuntu plus Git, and then we commit. So we get this image. Now we create a new container out of this image. So in this we have Ubuntu plus Git, and then we install here Apache, and then we do commit. This creates a new image. So let's say this is a new image. So this is the new image. With Ubuntu plus Git plus Apache. Plus here, let's say you installed here, you copied something from your host machine, and then you did do commit. So now a new image has been, again a new, this is a new image, right? Sorry, this is a new image. How can I cut it? Yeah. So I have this here. This is the image. So again, I have to create a container out of this image. So I will create a container, and let's say here I will do copy things. I will copy something from my host for my host. So again this, and you do then do commit. Then this create another image. So this is, if you want to go the manual way, you have to do like this. This is same as what Dockerfile does. So let's check it out in real time, like in doing like let's do it like practically to see how to do that. So let's say I will stop all the containers. Docker stop, forgot the command, it was like dollar docker psa q. Yeah, it has been stopped, all the containers have been stopped, and I have to also do remove the other containers. Okay, so I have removed and stopped all the containers. Let's see what images I have. I have two images. Okay, so let's run Ubuntu. Docker run itd Ubuntu. Okay, so I've started the Docker container. Now you want to, what we want to do, you want to update in this container. So let's attach to this container, get attached. Docker attach attachment, you will get attached to the PID one, which is here bin bash. We'll paste it here. So I'm inside, yeah, I'm inside ps ps ps. Yes, I'm inside the Docker container, Ubuntu container. So let's update Docker, not Docker, so apt update. So I have updated. So I have updated this, and let's install git apt install git. So I'm installing git here. So git install has been done. So I need to get out of this container. Okay, so I'm out of this container. Let's see if it is running or not. Yes, it is running. So now what I have to do, I will use this container to create a image. Sorry, to create another image, which will contain sudo, like it will contain the update, which I did. So what I will do docker commit. Let's say this is my first commit. So I did first commit here, and author is Surya. I have to give the container ID and then my image name. So it will be Surya's new image. I guess I did some mistake here. Yeah, so the image has been created. So let's see Docker images. You can see this Docker new image. So let's get the history. Docker HIS. You can see this is the history. So you can see this is yeah, this is the history of the image I created. Now I have to create a container out of this image. So I will run Docker run and my image name. So you can see this is running and it has exited because I have not used ITD, which is interactive mode, but it is detached. It will not exit. Yes, so it is up and running. This one is image. So let's get into this image. So I have to attach. So Docker attach, and I will paste the container ID here. So I'm inside this one. So let's see if git is installed here or not. Git v. So you can see the git is installed here, but in my bare metal Ubuntu there is no git. So so now let's see. I want to install Apache install. Sorry, apt install Apache. So I am installing the Apache here. So Apache has been installed here. So I will get out of this and let's see it is running or not. Yes, it is running. So again I have to do commit Docker. Let's use the previous command. Yeah, this one. Surya's new image 2, author Surya, and I have to change the container ID here. So I'll paste the container ID here. I press enter. So you can see my new image has been created. Docker images. So you can see this. So you can see the previous image was 201 MB and this new image I created, it is 251 MB because I have installed Apache on it. So this is how you can create an image manually. So this is a very tedious process because if you want all the layers to be present, so you have to do it like this way. Or else if you do everything in one go from if you run the Ubuntu container, install everything on it and then come out and then commit, all these changes will be made in one layer. So if you want like the things in different layers like that which is which in which like that in like that which happens using when we are using Dockerfile, then you have to use this method. So this is how you manually you can create an image. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you like the video, please like the video. Signing off.